Morning, noon, or night?
What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I know you're sitting at home. You're tired. You're bored. You're just sick of being in the house over the coronavirus. Everything looks like this on your living room table. You know what, you guys? We're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through it together. Okay? Okay? Give these kids something to do. Show them something to do, you guys. So I'm just gonna walk you through something real quick. We're gonna make this video real fast and quick. Watch how I do this. Look at this dirt from outside. Kids, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your aunt, tell your uncle, tell your grandma, tell your granddad, tell your aunts and uncles, your cousins, everybody. Take you outside, pick you up some dirt. And you know what? We're going to do it with you live, okay? This is for the kids. I'm going to do a series just for the kids, okay? So kids, get you a cup, something like this. Anything you want to get you one of these too. And tell mom, take me outside. Let's go on the side of the house or the side of the apartment and dig up some dirt. Okay? I'm doing this. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to be about it. So I'm out here digging up some dirt. I never used this dirt before. It's on the side of my house. Hey, you guys. Yeah. So, I've never used it. Just dig up what you have, you guys. The kids need something to do. And if you see grass and stuff growing over here, that means the dirt is good. Look, ooh, look at that big old pile of dirt when I pick that grass up. Pick a patch of grass up that you think is no good. That's where all the good soil is. Okay, see like this? Pick that up. And then put it in this cup. We're not gonna put the grass in there, we're just gonna use that dirt. Because if the grass is growing in there, look at it. Ooh, I wish I had a flash, but I don't. Okay? Get these kids involved. And just take them back in the house. Pull up a little bit of dirt. See? We got us a little bit of dirt, y'all. And then we got some little dirt over here. But we're not going to even use that. We're going to put that in here for the kids. If your parents have some potting soil or anything, they'll let you use it. So we're going to put some of that in there. That's some potting. So if it gets dirty, oh well, okay. That's what we're here to do. We need to have something for everybody to do. Okay? So let's just drop some of this in there too. We'll mix it all together. Oh, it doesn't matter. There are no rules when it comes to gardening. Just plant things. Okay, you guys? I love you. You're the best. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. So what we're going to do, we want the kids to see some results. Kids, I want you to see some results. Young adults, I want you to see some results. Middle-aged kids, I want you to see some results. Millennials, I don't know, all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to put these in here. I just put them back in the container, you guys. I'm going to put some water on them. Moisten them real good. And sit down with your kids and just plant what you have in your house. You may have a bean. You may have some cucumbers. You may have some peppers. There's no telling what you may have. Okay? Okay? Let me move this off of the tablet or y'all ain't going to see me no more because I ain't got no money to buy another one. Anybody got no money? Alright, so I'm going to put these in there like that. Ooh, it's dripping already. Okay. So we know it went through. All right, so get your kids together and plant some cucumbers. These are just some of the cucumbers, and we're gonna put them in the ground. Okay, you guys? No, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. We're just gonna put the cucumbers in the ground. Sorry, you guys.
This right here is the new papadilla, which, if I'm not mistaken, is Latin for better than a sandwich. Even has a better pickle. Get a new papadilla for $6. Better ingredients.
Sorry, you guys.
Better than a sandwich. Papa John's.
Trying to open up the packet with one hand doesn't work. Okay, I'm just gonna drop one seed. See, well, that was one, and we'll drop two. So you guys follow along. Drop one in there. You see it? Cucumber seed. You guys are going to follow along. And we drop one over there in the corner. So while you're sitting at home and you can't go to school and you can't, get everywhere you want to go, drop you some seeds in the ground. Now watch these grow with your boy, Skinny Boy Randy. Okay? Okay? Because the best people to fight for our communities are those. So now I'm just going to take a little bit more soil that's already in here and put on top of what we planted. You don't have to be perfect. I don't do pretty gardening. I do productive gardening. You guys know that. Okay, so just drop some more soil on there. That's the soil we got from outside. We just made a mess all over the floor, you guys. We're gonna get in trouble. But okay, now just take your plants and water 'em. Just water 'em. Give them a little water to start off. Now don't expect results overnight, you guys. Let your plants sit in that water and soak down into that good soil. Let them germinate, which means they're gonna soak up the moisture from the soil and the water, and they're gonna burst open. And you'll see it. I'm gonna keep you up to date on these. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, go stuff, and eat it. Wash your hands. Be safe. Live on your loved ones. Love on your lived ones. You know what I mean. I love you guys. You're the best.